Hello, my friend supporter. Welcome to medical science class. As a student of medical science, I wanted to take flavor every branch of science. What kind of things I do? That is birth, that is knowledge, that is desire, that is good work, that is an art. As a Muslim, Ya Allah is the one and only gateway, step Allah, all our creation, last and best messenger, Muhammad, La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah, Wahida, Samad, Khalik, Malik, Razak, Jalali. Allah Shukr. Now, my friend supporter. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, anywhere, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, database, mathematical calculation, with experiment. That is science. What is medical science? Medical science is the branch of what is. Now we discuss elaborate about science, engineering, and engineering, basic of engineering. What is the basic of medical science? We discuss elaborate medical science or basic of engineering. I am not engineer, but if you wanted to go to the in case of engineering road, if you wanted to build the road, bridge, home, you know that the engineering, the branch of science, creation science, engineering. And engineering, what is the branch of engineering? Is the branch of creation science. Discuss elaborated other creation like atom, fundamental unit, complex unit. Computer science engineering, atom. The architecture engineering, build house. Electric engineering, utilize atomic electric. Okay, fine. Just like that, possibly. Fundamental unit, complex unit. Now, every and machine, discover elaborate about machine made up of atom, fundamental unit, complex unit. And in machine there is a program system, just Android set. You can see, talk, you can record, fine, see your picture and talk to other with communication. And how talk with other with communication system? There is a network signal, wave, and that wave is, what is that wave is? Quantum physics. Fine. Sound wave, light wave, quantum physics. And wave transfers to string, light, state, maybe string, maybe other form. In natural is what remain in sunlight, and sound wave, electric wave, electromagnetic wave, gravitational wave, gravitational magnetotational wave remain or not? I don't know. But gravitational field, magnetic field. From gravitational field, how come gravitational wave, magnetotational wave? Now we elaborated about engineering. In case of engineering, if you wanted to sell a plot or flat, if you know that science, this flat is only 40 years remain. Then 40 years, 1 lakh taka per 100 years, but remain 40 years. Then in justice, this flat value is 40,000 taka. Then not more than that. If you know that engineering science, those are engineer by test that flat, how much remain, then you can easily buy a flat. Also in case of building, in case of house, there is the value is in earthquake normally remain in 40 years. Then 1 crore building with land ownership 1 crore, then only remain in 60 years. Then with house you buy can only 1 crore. Injustice, 60 years already remain, 40 years gone, you can easily buy that 60 lakh taka. or 60,000 or 60 lakh dollar or $60,000, that value of you and wealth value of wealth. If you know that engineering, not more than more quality, you know that. If you take the flat 100 years, the 1,000 years you can alive, but you keep the right. Thank you very much, my friend. About today is enough from science class. I am this representative of Dr. Mashur Chaudhary, MSC007. In case of my Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok password already I given, I sometimes forget. I not memorize important things. I only memorize to Al Quran. In Al Quran only 20 equal more or less 20 surah memorize. Still now 20 surah forget. Only equal more or less last 10 surah I complete my maximum pair in month of Ramadan. Also, I wanted to memorize kit or 99 or more names. Give emphasis that. Also, that also forget, but wanted to see that. Now my friend base supporter. Now my friend base supporter. That is the reason my Google ID is not still now not sign in. I give Google code to my Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. That is the purpose. Anyone not can go there. Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. In case of Google, sign in case of YouTube, and now in case of my memories, mobile not remain good. That is the reason I memory card plus uh, cut out that tag. But in case of my Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account, that is MSC. In case of in case of one and only creator, yellow still everything. Then Z to A to Z, one and only creator, everything. A to Z no, Z to A no. তারপরে কেটো লাভিং ক্রিয়েশন নাইসে কনস্টেন্ট মাদার দে আর রাইট, and then my MSc right, my MSc A to Z version also tomato soil, then my MSc, then their mark version also tomato soil, then my blood connected, then my MSc blood connected, then my pen supporter, then my pen supporter, then my pen supporter of the world, universe, multiverse, creation pi. Thank you very much, my pen supporter. And Google per minute royalty per video royalty, download royalty per video royalty. Google $10, YouTube $9, Facebook $8, Instagram $7, TikTok $6. Those have not money, no problems. You can see that when money come give cordially. In case of Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, sugar royalty also half free, full free. Also, if you have not a single penny, you can see that when money come give. In case of my Bikash account, plus Bangladesh Bikash plus 880167079580. Now is still that current number. If I change then, and Bangladesh Bikash number, Nogad number same, plus Bangladesh GP code plus 880167079580. Thank you very much, my friend supporter. That is also my mobile number. Also WhatsApp number, MSc A to Z version, and that is my right. Thank you very much, my friend supporter. Today is enough for science class.